We can put them in? Put them in. Nice. You have 2 of them, butter. Uh-oh. Here, Mama, hand it to you. Here you go. You're welcome. Yay! Put another one in. Yay! Oh, we got one back here, Drayton. Look, right here. You're welcome. Here. Oops. Got too many. There you go. Yay! You gonna do another one? Okay. Put it right in the hole. Uh-oh. Can you get it? There, good job. Mama hand it to you? Here you go. You're welcome. Uh-oh, we're having an issue. There we go. Slide her in. Uh-oh. Are you just goofing now? Put it back in the hole. Here's one. Here you go. Oh, you got the orange one. Put him in. Uh-oh, here you go. You're welcome. Oh, all of them? You can take all of them out? There's the orange one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, here you go. You want to put it in the hole? Put it in? Nope. Can you stack it in here? Put it up there. Whoa. Did you see that? Yeah, nice try. Uh-oh. Want me to hand you one? Here you go. You're welcome. Uh-oh. Here's another one. Put it in the hole. Show us how. Thank you for sharing with Mommy. Put it in the hole. Put the peg in. Look at Mama. Can you say bye-bye? Drayton, can you say bye-bye? You gonna throw a fit? Get the pegs. Try this side. You're being crazy. Peekaboo. Oh, Mama lovies. Thank you, baby. Say thank you. I love you. Drayton, can you say I love you? Thank you. Say bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye.